A girl whose back is not that straight, but she's a girl I want to date. A girl who has freckles on her face, and I want to be with her all day. A girl who loves to eat a lot, but she never gets fat, definitely not. But she's a girl I want to be with, not only for a time but for a lifetime. All these simple things, they mean a lot to me. Please don't ever change, 'cause these things makes me happy. Just be who you are, and I swear that both of us will go far. A girl who always says she's fat, but to me she's perfect, and that's a fact. Oh, a girl who aspires to be a singer, I'll be your #1 fan, front and center. A girl who makes mistakes all the time, and I'm proud to tell the world she's mine. A girl I want to be with, not only for a time but for a lifetime. All these simple things, they mean a lot to me. Please don't ever change, 'cause these things makes me happy. Just be who you are, and I swear that both of us will go far. All these simple things, they mean a lot to me. Please don't ever change, 'cause these things makes me happy. Just be who you are, and I swear that both of us will go far. Just be who you are, just be who you are. Basta, yan lang. Yan. Thank you. Man, gusto ko lang magsabi ng sa mga, parang, ito lang, habang sinusulat ko yung kanta, habang paulit-ulit kong kinakanta, nakangiti lang ako. Kumbaga, ikaw ay nabivisualize ko, lahat yun, ikaw. Kumbaga, wala parang, before yung buhay ko, parang, hindi ganun kasaya. Hindi ba? Gusto ko umiyak na wag na. Ayun. Proud ako sa nararamdaman ko sa'yo. Proud ako sabihin sa lahat ng tao dito, even kila tita, na-prove ko naman na lahat yung nararamdaman ko para sa'yo. Now, 18 ka na. Sabi nga ni tita tsaka ni tito, in the right time. So, masyado pa akong bata, ba't ko sinasabi to? Pero yun, ayun. So, happy birthday. Thank you, sana na-enjoy mo tong effort naming lahat. Lahat kami nag-effort, lahat, walang lumabas. Kasi sabi mo, bad acting yung ginawa ko kanina. Kaya medyo nakahalata ka. Pero at least na-appreciate mo lahat ng effort namin. Lalo na nila tita, kung paano magtago, nila tito. Ayun, nila Kuya JR, kung paano sila naghirap kanina dun sa EK. O kasi lang mga ewan, nakikita ko sila. Pag tinitignan mo sila, biglang lilipad yung camera sa ibang angulo. So yun, thank you kasi naramdaman namin na appreciate mo lahat ng efforts na. Happy birthday!
Christopher, right time is 26, ha?
Uy, bumaba kanina, 36!
Okay, thank you, Chris. May request pa sila, isa pa raw.